Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt, this is Twiggs C4, and today we are going to murder this job. We have our Dexter lab up and I'm literally going to murder it because I have no idea what I'm doing. And that is Raptor. So we've got some Raptor lining that we're going to be putting on the inner arch on this side. I really don't know what I'm doing. I've seen it done before. I know the principle. I know sort of like roughly what we've got to do. So we've got some tintable Raptor that we're going to be applying into this arch on the inside, and hopefully we can kind of sort of like get something that resembles the factory finish of the seam sealer. That is the plan for today. So we are jumping ahead because I should be prepping and painting the engine bay, but as we've got the laboratory up, I just thought I'd get the Raptor on because it's going to take quite a while for that to dry. Oh, sorry. It does say about 5 to 7 days. Oh, mince pies. Merry Christmas. Yes, so we're going to mix up some Raptor liner, which is, I do have the tintable Raptor, and I also have 1 litre of Guards Red, which is LM3A, I do believe. Yes, we've got a litre of that. So I'm going to mix in about 100 ml of colour, along with the hardener, the Raptor. We got a little gun that we can use, and we're just going to apply it. We're going to do it in 2 coats. So I have referred to ChatGPT on this to try and help me and assist me with this because I'm not a painter. You know, I hold my hands up. I don't really know what I'm doing. I've seen it done. Does that make me a painter? Probably. I'm going to run a little test piece on a piece of card that I've got over here, and then fingers crossed we can get in there and get some Raptor on. So yeah, is there anything I've forgotten to tell them, Matt?
You've probably forgot loads.
I've probably forgot loads, yeah. So I did have everything written down, but of course that's on my phone on notes, and now I'm filming off the notes off the phone. Right, without further ado, let's I don't know, let's just get on with some work. So let's get some paint mixed up. Let's get some Raptor mixed up. We'll do some tests, and then I'll see you in a minute when we're trying to spray some. And fingers crossed, and wish me luck that this goes well. So yeah, scary stuff.
After everything this car's been through, especially with the fire damage, I wanted to make sure that these hidden areas are properly protected for the long term and not just made to look good. So unfortunately I seemed to take off my mic and then forget to put it back on, so the audio for this was absolutely terrible. But basically I'm just talking about mixing up the Raptor here. We're using 100 ml of paint of that colour, we're using all of that hardener, and it's basically a case of just mixing it all together, giving it a really thorough shake, and then it's pretty much ready to go. For areas like the inner arches, Raptor is ideal. It's tough, flexible and highly resistant to stone chips, moisture and road grime. Once this cures, it forms a solid protective layer that seals everything in. You won't really see this once the car's back together, but this is the kind of work that stops rust coming back and makes a difference between a quick tidy up and a proper restoration. Well, after that silly behaviour, I do apologise. When I open the bottle, you can see that the colour here is so vibrant. It's such a lovely colour. And the next section that I'm just about to show now is the actual gun that I got set up. So I've gone ahead and got myself a little gauge, a little moisture capture filter kind of thing in there. And I'm basically talking here about how changing your pressure will affect your finish. But it's nothing interesting, it's all boring. There's plenty of information out there on other Raptor channels. So yeah, let's get back into the video. This car could have easily been written off after all this fire damage, but step by step it's being brought back properly. This inner arch is going to be protected for years to come, and we'll keep moving forward through the rebuild from here.
Well, I'm actually buzzing. That's a Raptor down, and it's actually gone really well. So it's quite late as well, but we're just packing up to go home. The Raptor's on. I need to take a few things home because I've got a private job that I got booked in for tomorrow. But this is looking really good. Let me turn it around and just show you, mate. Look at that. Can you see where I welded? Can you see it? No, that's it, exactly. You can't see it. That's spot on. And this side, look at that. That is absolutely bloody gorgeous. So there we have it. Raptored the arches. I was dreading this, and it's come out really well. I am proper buzzing. What a result! What a result! Oh, that's yeah, Matthew said that would be the fumes. He's probably not wrong. Although what I will say is, I don't know what you saw, but always make sure you've got a respirator, some sort of breathing apparatus, because it is very toxic and it's very dangerous. Hence why we've done this at the end of the day, and we're going to bugger off now so that we don't poison ourselves and kill ourselves. But that's it. And next time, I guess we'll be getting some paint on the bay. Maybe. Fingers crossed. We'll see.
If it doesn't snow again.
If it doesn't snow, oh yeah, that's also put us back as well, the snow. And of course the snow's just made my back even worse, but I digress. You know, well, you already know about that because of obviously last week's video, which seems weird that I'm filming this before. Anyway, it's well confusing. I'll see you all soon. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.